Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to disable zoom to fill in YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to disable zoom to fill in YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And when your YouTube app loads guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us over here just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a settings or the gear icon available for us over here at the top right. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here, and you can see the general option at the top of the list guys. Tap on the general option which is at the top of the list, and you can see guys over here just above the uploads where it says zoom to fill screen. In order to disable zoom to fill in YouTube, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option, and then your zoom to fill in YouTube will be disabled. And guys, this is how to disable zoom to fill in YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.